Long ago, it was believed that living creatures originate spontaneously from the non-living matter. Although there was no scientific theory supporting spontaneous generation, people have developed this concept by their routine observations that occur around them. Aristotle was the first one to record his observations on spontaneous generation. He described about the formation of maggots from decaying meat and sudden appearance of rats from stored grains, etc. However, his concepts were remained unchallenged for more than 2,000 years. In 1668, Francesco Redi has disproved the theory of spontaneous generation for the first time. His experiment has demonstrated maggots arise from flies, not from the decaying matter. After the discovery of microorganisms by Leeuwenhoek in 1676, the arguments on spontaneous generation has taken a new turn. Many scientists have proposed theories which revealed microorganisms arise by spontaneous generation, although larger organisms did not. Later, there were many experiments and arguments on spontaneous generation. In 1748, John Needham had observed microorganisms in heated meat broth, which were not present at the beginning of the experiment. He concluded that the bacteria has originated from the meat. At the same time, Lazzaro Spallanzani has further improved Needham's experiment. He boiled the meat broth and completely sealed the flask. And the microorganisms did not grow. He concluded air has carried the germs to the broth. Theodor Schwann passed the air into a flask containing broth through a red-hot tube. The broth in the flask has shown no growth. Simultaneously, in 1850, George Frederick Schroeder and Theodor von Dusch have allowed air into the flask by passing the air through a sterile cotton plug. No growth was observed. They said the microorganisms from external environment were trapped by the cotton fibers. The usage of cotton plugs to avoid microbial contamination exists even today. Later, in 1861, Louis Pasteur has completely disproved the spontaneous generation concept by his swan neck experiment. Let us go through these experiments.